guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have another video for you guys. What we're basically going to be doing today is going to wash my sister's vehicle. So I thought I'll take you guys along just so you guys can see a day in Calgary where we're washing vehicles. So today was meant to be a warm day in Calgary. Well, I expected it to be a warm day, but we know Calgary now, weather can change at any time. So it really snowed today. So today has been kind of like, I don't even know the right words, but bottom line, it snowed, and luckily for us the snow has really dried up pretty fast. So we're out now to wash my sister's vehicle, and I thought I'll take you guys along. Enjoy. Guys, so this is the car wash. We've pretty much arrived. So what happens is that once you come, I think those are like the places, that's where we're gonna be washing and stuff. But once you come in, then you go buy your ticket. Okay guys, so we're inside now, and see, my hair is messy. So we're inside now, and how it works is that you can either come in here to get cash back and they charge you 25 cents extra, or so that's happening for stuff. I'm showing you. So that's her purchasing the tickets. So they sell other stuff when you come in. That's what it looks like. They sell other stuff. That's it. That's that. Take care. Bye. Lambo. Okay, so we're here now. Let me show you guys. This is kind of what it looks like. So that's my sister's vehicle. She's gonna do her payment here. This thing here. Like I was saying before I got cut off earlier on, what was happening inside is that my sister went inside because she didn't have coins, so she wanted to pay inside, but they told her that you have to come outside and pay. So you put your coin in here to do the vacuuming outside, to do your inside cleaning and all of that. Then if you want to do the cleaning of outside your vehicle, the body of your vehicle, you pay inside. So this outside payment here is only for if you want to vacuum your inside your vehicle and all of that. So you pay here to vacuum inside your vehicle. Then when you go inside, and you pay inside to do the body, the outer body of your vehicle. So that's what we're doing here. So initially my sister had gone inside to see if she could pay inside, but they told her no, you can't pay inside because they don't give out they typically would not give you coins and all of that. But they did it for my sister, Sha. Sha said, okay, we'll just do it for you, but there's a 25 cents charge. So what she did was to use her credit card, debit card, whatever, to pay. Then they gave her the coin. So now she has enough coin to use to make payment to either vacuum the inside of the car. She wants to vacuum inside. My sister's car is always very clean inside. I don't know if you guys can see. It's always, this is just jackets all over the place now, but inside her car is always very clean. Like my sister's car is always very clean inside. So she paid with her card, then they gave her coin and everything. So now she's here. So this is it. I'll keep taking you guys along. Let me show you guys what the area kind of looks like. I don't know if you guys can see behind me. This is kind of what the area looks like. This place is in the Country Hills part of Calgary. I don't know if you guys, babe, this is Country Hills, Abby. Yeah. So this is in Country Hills. Babe, say hi to my camera. So this is in Country Hills. I don't know if you guys, I don't know the exact area. I'm bad with directions. So this is Country Hills Boulevard, which is our Country Hills part of Calgary. It's in the northeast part of Calgary. So that's where we're washing the vehicle. So yeah, that's my sister's vehicle. She's ready to wash it. Guys, see how full the place is. Like literally every spot, these are the spots, every spot is red, which means there's vehicle in each one of the slots. So ours is green, so we can go in. But you see how many people are waiting? Even to get the vehicles in. See, people waiting. So we were green, so we can go in, but every other one is like red. So this is it. She's cleaning inside. Madam, it's green though. She wants to vacuum inside the vehicle, so we're going to vacuum inside as well as the trunk of the vehicle. See how dry the floor is now. It dried pretty fast, guys. Okay, so we're putting money inside. So you have to put $1 each. We put $2 before and he chopped the money. So $2 gave us 2 minutes and about 30 seconds. So she's vacuuming inside now. So that's how it works here. I'm going to vacuum the trunk of the vehicle too. Time is almost gone. Okay, so it has opened up now. She's done cleaning inside the vehicle, so she's going in now to go wash it. Yeah. So guys, we're inside. So this is the way the place looks like. What it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys. So bring out each of the foot mats and clip them here. So it says it's mat. So we can clip the foot mats. And these are the different things. Tell you the different things to do. Exactly, just what my husband said. So the kind of cash that we can put in is either 2 loonies or 1 toonie. We put in 1 toonie before and it stuck, got stuck.
That's for the.
That's for that one.
Yeah, you can put 2.
Okay, so this is it, guys. So pretty good. So these are garbage bins to throw your trash in. So other people have their different spots that they are doing theirs at. So this is it. So she's put the money in now. Then we'll start washing. Time, we have only 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Start now. So soap, we're putting soap on it now. Okay, so see the soap. While my husband is doing that for her, this is soap has 10 minutes. This is the one. Oh, okay. So while my husband is doing that, so this is 3 loonies, 4 see. So he's doing this on the vehicle, and my sister is putting the. Now it's in soap. Oh, they are putting foamy brush. Oh, you need soap still? No. So, they are changing to foamy brush. So I've changed it now to the foamy brush so that she has enough. So this is a foamy brush. So now she has enough soap to wash the vehicle. See that one? So the first one is done. We're gonna put more money in. What is that one for?
Rinse.
High pressure rinse. So now we've moved it to high pressure rinse. So there's another section there where the thing will clean on your behalf. I think almost everybody knows that one, right? So it will clean your vehicle while you're inside the vehicle, to clean your vehicle. So that's that one there, those two there. But this one will clean it ourselves. That's the one my husband likes to do because he don't like stress, right, babe?
Stress myself. It's cold.
Usually we just do that one. So yeah. Yeah, you have to come outside first. Madam is already giving us rules. We have to dust our legs when we enter. Okay, so she's cleaning her windows now with Windex. With paper towel and Windex. It is so cold, guys. Really cold. Really, really cold. And my hands are like frozen, guys. So cold. Guys, jokes apart, see how the car. See how the car is shining. Jokes apart, guys. See how it's shining. See how it is reflecting. It is reflecting. We only did 3 things, so rinse, so water, soap, rinse, and wax. Yeah, I wash it. Because it's black, I don't know if you guys can see properly, but you see how that one washes by itself. Here, I hope you guys enjoyed a car wash day in Calgary. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you, and stay blessed.